hand feeding baby cockatiel. This is how you do it. If you hand rear it, give it hand rearing powder, mix it with warm water, and feed it. Okay. Yummy. Okay, okay. Okay.